Here's a short video of what happens if you unbox the package of the PrintCam. So if you buy a PrintCam tower version from me, you will get a 3D print, cameras installed, and this cable along with two cable ties. To install it on your Prusa Mini, first of all what you need to do is turn the printer off, take out the USB drive, and what you can then do is take the USB connector, you can plug that in, and then you can reinsert your USB drive like so. So now everything in here is connected. And this is the main power source of the connector of the PrintCam. And then you can continue with the hardware installation, where you basically place it along the x-axis, and then you just need to put one zip tie through here and one zip tie around here like so, and then everything is placed. It can still move all the way back. Make sure there's enough room here, down here, for the camera to move down, so don't place any components there. You can always add more zip ties to connect these two together, or you can hide it away in here. That's basically all you need as a install. Now when you turn it on, the module gets power. You can still use the USB drive, you can keep it in there for Prusa Connect, but if you want you can also take it off. Here you can see print, you can see all the files that are on the USB. And through here, if it's dark enough, you can see that it's blinking. So that means that it's now setting up a hotspot. So this is how you will get it. And from there you can configure all of the details of the ESP itself, all of the fingerprint, and set it up in the Connect software. And for that I have another video that goes into the details of the firmware. But this is all you need for the hardware setup, and now you can have the camera module up and running. See you!